Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations today with our new Fort Worth Fabric Studio Simply Summer Table Runner. And as you can see, it is going to run for 3 weeks. June 26th we're going to start, then we're going to do July 3rd and July 10th. Now the long arm services, hopefully you can see this, I don't want to make sure I have it up here, is from Laura Brady. If you need to have it quilted for you because you don't know how to do it. Otherwise, I am going to go ahead and show how to quilt my green 2 runners ago with Fort Worth Fabric Studio, the one with the shamrocks on it. I'm going to show a little bit of free hand on that. I'm definitely doing freehand on the one that we just finished, and I'm not sure about this one. I did get the table topper out that matches this one here, but I've got the fabric laid on the table. I'm going to show it to you. If y'all want it, by all means, put it in the comments. I'll stop with the comments tomorrow, and we'll get it mailed out on Monday for you, okay? So you can have it by the 26th of June. Alrighty, let me show you the fabric. I laid it down here into 2 little piles, so you can take a look at it. And this is the fabric right here. And be sure and say that you want this table runner. You want the kit for Simply Summer, okay? So I know what we're talking about. All right, that's it for this video. See y'all soon.